येरादारी उद्देग पंचायत मंत्री माविन गुदिनोन बोगमाळो चिकोळणाच्या एमआरएफ कोयर उपचाराक प्रकल्पाक शेटच्या छप्पराचे रूफटॉप सोलर सिस्टमचे उक्तावण केले। कोयर उपचारा खातीर सोलर एनर्जी वापरपी ही पहिलीच पंचायत देखून गुदिनोन पंचायतीची तोखणाय केली। तशेंच अशे येवजणेक दर एका पंचायतीन हाडपाक आपूण प्रोत्साहन दितलो अशें गुदिनोन सांगले।
I want to congratulate Bogmalo Chikolna Panchayat for taking initiative to use solar energy for waste management. Whatever machinery that will run inside, whatever in the waste treatment plant, the lighting that will be necessary as well as outside will all run on solar system, which is I think the first among all the panchayats in entire Goa as far as waste management is concerned. म्हणून हांव तेंची तोखणाय करता आनी हे म्हाका दिसता एक पॅटर्न कशें हांव आख्खे गोंयान करतलो बिकॉज इट इज अ व्हेरी गुड थिंग वी वील सेव ऑन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी whatever excess electricity that will be generated will be put back in the grid, so it will help our to bring down the load or requirement of electricity at very high cost. ही एक नवीन स्कीम करून even for waste management I will do it. In fact, just the other day I told my honorable chief minister we have to sit again and really draw out a plan that we finish the garbage maintenance in entire Goa. Panchayats have to sit with other departments as well, so that once for all in the next 6 months I said it should be in mission mode की आम्ही garbage problem सोपोवपाचो तशें आम्ही करपा जाय. I will also be introducing new initiatives which you will know. Let the new bodies come. With the new bodies, by the time new panchayats are elected before 6 months, that time I can safely say we will also have new schemes and new initiative being given to the panchayats at the behest of the government.